Hi guys, so today we're gonna make chicken breasts. So first, we have to put the chicken in this tray. So, oh, it's so slimy. It's so fluffy though. Yeah. Nah, don't worry, it's just food. First, we squeeze lemon on them. And we add this extra because I love lemon. Now we add some medium curry powder. Wait, let me see how you open this. Oh, here. The next one is pork seasoning. Now let's open it. I'll put it in my hand so it won't get messier. Like this. And then you go like this. And then black pepper. And we put it here. There. Last one is olive oil. I love olive oil. Should I pour it? Okay, be careful. Yeah. Not. Okay. There we go. And now this is the pork. And now we're going to mix it with our hands. And this is the best. It looks a little bit disgusting, but when it's cooked, it's gonna be really good. And it looks gonna be cool. Now we put it in the oven. But first I have to wash my hands because my hands is really dirty. It has all of the seasonings. Now let me dry my hands. Because, you always dry your hands and everything. And now, we put it in the oven. And now we cook it. Bye. Hi guys, so my mom took out the chicken breast because it's really hot and it's dangerous for me to touch it because I might burn my finger. So now we finished the chicken breast, so now we're gonna try it. I hope it's good. I'm crossing my fingers. Oh, the small one is good. Oh my god, what was that noise? Okay, so I might. Okay. First I have to blow it because it's hot, of course. Not yet because it's hot. I have to blow a long time. So good. But it's good. It's good, but it's spicy because I add a lot of, pepper on it. I add a lot of pepper. That's why it's spicy. Well, the chicken tastes good and it's spicy and it tastes good. So bye. Shut up.